Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to another video. I am Mandy and this is my channel where I like to talk about things that are real in life. And lately that's been a lot of makeup and makeup panning. So if you're interested in seeing more of that content, then hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for today's video. Today I have an update for the I Love My Makeup. I don't know why that turned into a show tune, but it did. This is a project that I created. It is a really easy one, and you're welcome to join if you want. You can use the hashtag lovemymakeupproject. It'll be in the description box in case I mess it up. And you pick 3 items, and you use them 10 uses, 10 times, and then you roll them out. No end date. Monthly updates whenever you want, or update whenever you feel like it. And if you do decide to join this project, just let me know in the comments below so I can make sure to follow you and see what you're panning. So my project, I decided to work on one eye, one cheek, or face, and one lip. So that is what we're going to continue to do. I mean, that's the categories I picked to start with, and I figured I'm just going to keep going with that. So yeah, and I will have other people who are doing this project. So far, I know there's one other person that's unapologetically Shelly, and she will be linked in the description box below. So like I said, if you want to join this project, please let me know so I can put you in a list of people in my description box. So, 3 products, 10 uses. Sounds easy. If you're doing a lot of projects, not so easy. It takes a little while. So, I started this 2 months ago, well, 3 months ago now, and my first product is, and right in front of me, is the shade from my Maybelline City Mini palette. This is in Concrete. Runway is the colorway of this particular one. It may be available at Walmart. That's about the only place I can see it listed online. But I brought in the blue shade right here at the bottom, and I'm trying to work this palette into a stage where I could potentially pan and finish the whole thing. So I brought it in for 10 uses, and at last update I had used it 7. The last month I have used it 3 more times, and this guy is rolling out. Yay! My first rollout. Not to be outdone, my next product was my Essence blush. The blush in the shade Believing. And last update I'd used it 6 times. In the last month I've used it 4, including today. So I used it 3 previously, and today makes 4. That's 10 uses. Yay! Another rollout. Woohoo! We're getting some progress. Now, my final item. Yes, item. Eyes, face, lips. I am wearing it today on top of a lipstick. It is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss with hyaluronic acid and hyaluronic acid in the shade Gold. I believe this is from their new bronzed collection. I don't know, I got it sent to me gratis. I'm not a big fan of gold and goldy shades. It's kind of copper in my opinion, but it is called Gold. Anyway, last month I had used it had 6 uses. Words. This month I've used it once. That's today. So that brings me to 7 uses. So this is not rolling out. This is going to continue on for another month, but that's okay. I already have an idea what I want to, well, I don't have a specific, yes, I do. I have an idea what I want to roll in for it once this is done. So, those are the products I was working on, those are the products rolling out, and the one staying in. So, the new products for my eyes. I'm going with my second oldest palette. It is the Rimmel Magnifies Electric Violet Edition. And I didn't prepare ahead, I'm going to randomly select one of the shades to work on. I am working on one of the shades already in this project, and then I will roll another one to work on in this project. Okay, I don't think I explained that very clearly, and I wasn't prepared, so I got myself thrown off. So, this palette is my second oldest. I am currently working on the 6th shade, which is right here. This one, I am wearing it in my look today. It is kind of a muted green. Not green. Whoa, purple. Wow, my brain is dead. I'm trying to get it so, yeah, you can see it, but not the reflections. So anyway, that one there I'm working on in another project. So that is 12 shadows to choose from. I have my Pretty Random app, and we're going to roll 1 through 11, and it already rolled. It got 8. So let me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, 8 is this guy right here. So I'll get you a swatch of that. That is a lovely blue-purple shade. Slightly metallic. You can see the sheen there. Alright, that's lovely. Okay, and then, so shade number 8, and that'll go nicely. I'll swatch the one I'm working on in another project for you, which is more of a lavender shade. So there you go. Those two from this palette. Yay! They're a little hard, but they're also a little dusty. So I don't know. It's a fine formula, I think. The package is broken. I don't know if you can see that. It's broken up there, but you know, I want to get it used. It's going to be the next one I want to work on finishing. So, and then next we're moving on to cheeks, and I am bringing in my second oldest blush. That is this guy here. It's just a sample size of the Balm's Will Powder blush, and mine is in the shade Perseverance, which is sort of a pinky peachy with a gold. I don't know. That was a really heavy swatch. But it is sort of a orangey with a bit of copper. I'm pretty sure it looks fine when I wear it, but it's not a color I gravitate towards. And I feel like it has more of a red in it, but yeah, it's a nice color. It has a bit of a sheen to it. I can't get the right lighting to show you the shine, but there is a bit of a sheen to it. Glowy cheeks and all. So that is what I'm bringing in. Purple from my Electric Violet, and Perseverance. Ooh, Perseverance from the Balm's Will Powder. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to join, leave it in the comments below so I can follow along and add you to a growing list, apparently, of people participating in this project. And until my next video, take care, and I'll see you later. Bye!